I'm Aurora Lovestrand, and this is my journey with Luxy Hair. I started working with Luxy Hair about 3 years ago, and it was the first brand I ever partnered with, actually. At that time, there was no reels, there was no tutorials on my page. I had just been posting photos of my makeup. They sent me my first set of extensions. I started doing more hair content, and that kind of brought me to where I am today. It was this past summer that I ran into some of the Luxy team members at an event, and we started chatting a little bit about what a co-branded collection could look like. And when one of them mentioned Love Your Strands, I was like, okay, this is just meant to be. It was so much fun getting to pick my own measurements for a headband and trying to find a claw clip that's the perfect size and fits all of my hair. Months of trying different samples was super fun, but I think we really nailed the collection we have now. We did a shoot, and it was just such a fun, relaxed day on set, and it was just such a fun process all the way through. I'm super proud of all the products in the set, and I hope you love it as much as I do.